Good evening. It has felt cold today under the grey cloud, but luckily for many there was an abundance of sunshine. That certainly helps this late in February. And it'll be another fairly fine day again for Sunday. Bit frosty first thing, almost definitely, with this cold air still penetrating across the UK. In fact, if anything, the air will get colder in the coming few days, so it will feel more bitter, particularly as the wind strengthens. But as we go through the evening, we've got a little bit more cloud coming into eastern parts of the UK. Could give the odd snow flurry across Angus and Aberdeenshire. And it may be that these areas on the coast, right on the coast, avoid a frost. But for most, it will be another very cold start our Sunday morning at -5 or -6 in rural areas. Any little bits of low cloud should melt away quite quickly. The prospects are brighter for the south coast of Cornwall, where we've had a lot of cloud today. Also for parts of Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, which were plagued by thicker cloud. More sunshine is on the cards for tomorrow, but the wind's still quite brisk and it's strong again in southern and eastern areas. So if you can escape the wind and the sunshine, as I say, it'll feel pleasant enough, but no higher than 4s and 5s for most of us, and it gets colder still. Now, as we go through Sunday evening into Monday, notice there's an increase in cloud in eastern areas. There's an increasing risk of some snow showers coming in on another very cold night. So as it comes into that cold air, falling on the cold surfaces, there is certainly a risk for Monday morning of a few snow showers. In fact, the risk increases as we go through the day on Monday. Mostly as showers initially. You can see that easterly wind, it's strengthening, so it will start to push them into eastern areas. But you can see masses of snow starting to develop across the North Sea, and that's giving us cause for concern. Just 1 or 2 degrees above freezing on Monday. Factor in the strength of the wind, it will clearly feel a lot colder. And at 1 or 2, that's actually going to be a reasonable temperature for the week ahead, when we could see temperatures below freezing by 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. So you factor in that wind and it will feel cold. These are the forecasts, as you can see, for Tuesday and Wednesday. It will feel bitter for many of us. Now, taking it further ahead into the middle of next week, you can see the depth of blue coming across the country. So Siberian air, very dry air initially, increasing threat of snow, particularly, I think, as we go through Tuesday and then perhaps later in the week as well. Keep tuned to the forecasts.